3 into 1 just about went in turn 2. Kühnen almost got collected there by the Kawasaki on the exit of the pit straight. So Gweder still hanging on to 5th. Kühnen going after 6. Bonacorsi will get his big elbows out. That's exactly what he does, but not able to get in and out there quick enough. Fantastic battle this, from 5th down to 9th. Gweder doing a great job of hanging on in there. Lucas Kühnen in white. And who's that gone over the bars? Okay, Vettek, final turn. Interesting that. Not too much catchment in the other side of that final turn. Gweder absolutely getting piled on here. Kühnen goes to the outside. Prugnieres up the inside. Does eventually make the pass stick. He triples his way into the waves. So the 319 now up in the 5th place. And Kühnen going with him in white.